When psychologists set out to measure human behavior and mental processes, they face a unique challenge. Unlike physical sciences, psychology deals with complex human data, emotions, thoughts, and behaviors that are not always easy to quantify. We collect this data using methods like observation, experiments, correlational studies, surveys, psychological testing, and case studies. But here is the catch: measurement in psychology is not always straightforward. Three key challenges make psychological measurement very tricky. First is the lack of a true zero point. In physics, 0 centimeters means no length, but in psychology, there is no true zero for traits like intelligence or anxiety. Everyone has some level of these traits, so psychological scores are always relative and not absolute. The second one is context sensitivity. Psychological tools are not universal. A test designed in an urban setting may not apply fairly to a tribal context. One size fits all does not work here. Right context means right results. That's why we must modify and adapt our tools across cultures. And the third problem is subjective interpretation. Much of psychological data is qualitative: words, emotions, live experiences. Different researchers may interpret the same behavior differently. So, how do we reduce these bias? The solutions include having multiple researchers, discussing observations collaboratively, and involving participants in meaning making. Together, these strategies make findings more reliable and valid. Psychology may not always offer perfect measurements, but with the right awareness and careful methods, we move closer to understanding the human mind scientifically.